Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the Fan Edition, also with 5G. So let's start on the phone. Let's see who's first. Both phones have, by the way, the same CPU, so a Snapdragon 888, and both phones have Android 12. The Flip 3 have 8 GB of RAM, that's the only difference, and it has, the FE have just 6 GB of RAM. Point for the FE. Very nice. Okay, let's go into the next point. I want to open the camera now. Point for the Flip. Let's open Google Maps now. Point for the Flip. Let's open YouTube. Point for the Flip. Okay, let's start now with some apps. Let's go here the app drawer and let's start maybe with War Stars, very famous at young people. Point for the Flip. A very clear point for the Flip. Let's continue now with the calculator. Oh, there's no calculator on it. I can't believe that. Okay, then we jump over the calculator. Let's take CSR Racing 2. A very famous racing game. I think also with more than 100 million downloads. And a point for the Flip. Very close, but a point for the Flip. And let's check Google Earth. Yeah, it's a remis. Let's have a look now for Facebook. Yeah, you have to. Okay, I think we should repeat that. Let's try Facebook again now. Whoop. Yeah, I think a little advantage here for the Flip. Then let's check the Lite version of Facebook. So of the Facebook Lite app, it's more size. Yeah, let's give the point here to the FE. It was a bit faster. Let's check Instagram. Oh, that was unfair. Let me delete the one. Okay, let's check again Instagram. Point for the FE, very clear point. Then let's check now Netflix, also important today. Let's check Netflix. Point for the Flip. It seems to be close today. Let's check now Talking Tom. Speaking Cat. Point for the Flip. So let's have a look now on Subway Surfer, also an all-time favorite. Point for the Flip. Oh, yeah, point for the Flip. And let's go now to the last 2 points. We have Twitter. Point for the FE. Okay, now we will have the final one. I will check TikTok now. I'm logged in with both phones. Point for the Flip. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, which phone is faster. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other phones videos if you're interested in some tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.